Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to share Wi-Fi network Oppo phone to any Android phone device. Friends, you want to share Wi-Fi network Oppo phone to any Android phone device. So how to share it today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to share Wi-Fi network. After on phone settings, as you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone device. So when how to share Wi-Fi network friends, click on Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. So guys, first of all, I will connect any network. This network friends, I will connect, and friends, I will share. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect, and guys, now friends, now we can share this Wi-Fi network. So friends, click here and friends, click on QR code. And guys, now friends, we need one more phone. So guys, I will on this phone setting. Friends, you can see not connected. Oh, first guys, I will remove this all network. Friends, you can see not connected any Wi-Fi network. So friends, now we will click. And friends, click on scanner, and guys, now we will scan this QR code. Friends, after scan friends, automatically this Wi-Fi network will connect on this phone. Friends, you can see. As you can see, automatically this Wi-Fi network will connect on this phone, and friends, now we can use this Wi-Fi network this phone friends. So guys, I will on YouTube app. As you can see, same Wi-Fi network guys we have connected. So like that friends, you can share your Wi-Fi network your Oppo phone to any Android phone device friends. And friends, you will forget from here, you will remove from here guys, this phone guys. Wi-Fi network will not forget and remove friends. Wi-Fi network will connect here. So like that friends, we can share Wi-Fi network Oppo phone to any Android phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.